I know we all see winter as the depressing, gloomy season, and I mean, in some cases it is, but in today's video I'm going to be living like my winter Pinterest boards. Now, having said that, most of my winter Pinterest boards is like snow, mountains, skiing, all that kind of stuff, but I live in the UK and I think that life is quite far out of reach, so instead it's kind of a UK edition, I guess. Brilliant. I also feel like this video may have worked better closer to Christmas, but here we are. We may as well make the most of the rest of winter before spring. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, I thought it'd be fun to just romanticize winter. Why not? I mean, it's so bloody cold at the minute. The Reynards are in full swing. I need to Pinterest to find my life, basically. We've all been there. We're on Pinterest. We're scrolling through, and it's just the life we want to live. We're saving things to our 2024 vision board. That is showing ourselves that that is the person we want to be. That is the life we want to live. So why not live like it? We're gonna be baking, we're gonna be making hot chocolates, some cute winter outfits, some cute winter walks. I mean, it's gonna be lovely. I've been practicing using the Dyson Airwrap. Still not quite there, you know, it's definitely got a little bit of a knack to it, but we're getting there slowly. I just think I'd prefer the blow dry look rather than the curls, but anyway. Can't be too fussy in this day and age, can you? Now, there has been a running theme on my Pinterest board for the majority of winter in terms of fashion and clothing pieces. Cute jumpers, off the shoulder. I also, this one is from Shein, and this one is as well, actually. This one I love, this pink off the shoulder with a bow. Bows are everywhere, everywhere. My Pinterest board has definitely been full of bows in winter. Uggs, I mean, it's gonna come as no surprise. My fake £15 Uggs. Honestly, you can't go wrong. And my real, that's my absolute babies. And I don't want to ruin them. See how long they last. Also scarves. I got this one for Christmas. I love it. I've not taken it off. It's freezing at the moment. It's actually freezing. Also, who likes this new bomber jacket that I got from Lara? It's upside down. It is such a nice colour, and it's the perfect jacket just to layer up. My outfit of today, off the shoulder jumper, as well as these grey flared trousers. I've seen so many outfits of these, which girl I got my inspo from, obviously Pinterest, because this video is Pinterest. I love these. I feel like they make you look like you've put in an effort when they're actually just really comfy. And then my Uggs, which I will be wearing as well. Fake Uggs, sorry. I really should not be trying to get away with the fact that they're real Uggs. Now, that is a Pinterest outfit if I ever did see one. Anyway, I'm also going to check on this scarf and my gold jewellery. Now, nothing screams winter to me more than a hot chocolate. My watch needs to take the link out. You know, like when it's like, yeah. So I'm going to make myself a lovely hot choc with whipped cream and marshmallows. Do you know, fun fact though, I don't really like marshmallows, but I can kind of handle the mini ones in a hot choc. Or should I just not waste them? I don't know. Anyway, just before Christmas, me and my mum treated ourselves to this wonderful machine. The Velvetizer. Oh, it's incredible. It's incredible creation. We were at Gloucester Keys and they had refurbished ones for about half the price. Because I am not paying over £100 for this. It's not worth it, by the way. It's kind of worth half the price. It's basically a machine that just velvetizes the milk with the chocolate. It is lovely. It is a game changer for your hot choc. And then you have to buy these hotel chocolat, drinking chocolate. You can get different flavours. I've had a mint choc before. That was bloody lovely. And this is just my personal opinion. I'm not the biggest fan of the actual chocolate that you buy from Hotel Chocolat. Personally, and this is what we do at uni, is we chop up a dairy milk bar, or to be honest, dairy milk is just so, I'm sad I don't have any, so I'm going to be using this today. But that's okay, it's fine. Your weekly hello. Jesus, you've got way heavier. Already, look at the camera. He's actually avoiding looking at the tripod because he's scared of it. Weekly hello, Brody. Hello guys, missed you. Happy New Year. And you just add a few teaspoons of the chocolate powder. What did I? Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Just knocked my camera. 6 heaped teaspoons of drinking chocolate. That's a lot. That's too much in my opinion. I'm gonna go with 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you literally just put the lid on and velvetize it. Let it do its thing, really. Wow. I feel like Wonka. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm just gonna pour it. And for the best part, this just reminds me of my body wash now. You know the, what's it called? You know the vanilla square cream body wash that's going around at the minute? I feel like you don't know what I mean. I can't do it. It's gonna be cold by the time I drink this. It definitely went all over my freshly washed hair. Sorry, look at this. Right, I'm now just gonna sit and enjoy my hot choc by the open fire. The electric open fire. I might not sit on the floor actually, I felt that was a bit sad. But it's cozy. I'm feeling the wintry, cozy vibes. Oh my god, the lighting.
If you need
That's
me.
better.
Oh, this one. Did you say that's my dog?
No, I said that's better.
And
We're making... Can you stop talking over me? We're making a hot chocolate cheesecake. I actually was thinking, oh, I kind of want to make cinnamon rolls, you know, like wintry. This lighting is not the one. But then made cinnamon, we could get started. I made cinnamon rolls recently and they are an effort, like having to do the dough.
I like cinnamon rolls, I might buy some.
Yeah, we could have made them, but it is currently 8:30 PM.
Where's the blitzer?
The mixer is there.
No, the blitzer.
Oh, I thought you just...
Alright, that's fine, but where's the actual biscuits?
Yeah, they are in here. And I got chocolate digested because it's so much better. Did you not have the hot chocolate velvetizer today?
Oh, yeah, I thought it was close.
For the toppings, we've got some flakes and mini marshmallows. You don't actually need milk chocolate buttons for the top, but it's a request. Because there's not enough chocolate in it already.
Where are you?
There's not many. That's fine.
Are they not? They're like 90. Is that it?
Not really had some.
No, I mean, is that how much we got to put on the thing?
Are you joking? I don't really like marshmallows.
Yeah, not that, that's fine.
I got these first as well. Did you see them?
Is it the mousse?
Yeah.
I'll have to have it tomorrow.
It's not only, it's just a layer of joy.
Is it a load of joy, mate? We're going to get dance tonight, though.
Who's we?
Well, me and Joel, and you can watch.
Brilliant.
Well, you can play, but you know I dance.
Well, I don't like it, I'm not very good at it.
Yeah, then we'll find out. We just got it set up in the house, really excited time.
Right, so we're really happy.
Probably want to play Sunday as well.
Brilliant. I think I'm busy on Sunday.
I wanna give it.
It's still going.
Yeah, I know.
I'd like you to go.
No, let's see how it focuses and all that.
Not very well.
Yeah. I wanna live in a world where all my exes are dead. Oh, you're coming fast.
150 grams.
Yeah.
Oh, was it a bit like that the whole time?
Keeps coming and going. I can barely decide. Just drank a fifth of vodka. You dare me to drive?
Come on, bit of teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Right, melt butter, everybody. This is what we're aiming for. Right, so you pour that in there, mix it together, mix it on. Right, and for the main event, we're adding our cream cheese, 750. I did that. 500 grams. Mate, I'm a pro cheesecake maker. You can't see my bum. Brilliant. And make sure you look how big you look. That'll do. Love Island All Stars and 10.
Sorry?
That is honestly perfect. Like, I want to see
Didn't even
this.
look.
Okay. Right, let's swap. You put a tub of that in there, please.
Yeah. Mate, I'm mad. I'd do it like this.
Jeez. Good job.
You can't see that because it's white on white.
Oh, they can trust me. Over you. Now we're gonna add hot chocolate to this bowl. Slightly chill.
What? What's the issue?
What the hell is this?
Oh god.
Double cream, but it's vegan.
Let's put coconut oil in.
Let me try it.
No. Don't put it in there, not ruin it.
Good morning, guys. It is early. The sun is just starting to rise. It looks like I'm drinking a cup of piss. Very dehydrated piss. It's green tea. I'm about to go on a lovely morning sunrise wintry walk. It's gonna be cold. I'm gonna need to layer up better than this, but oh my god, the pond's frozen over. Look at this. Look at that pond. Wow, look at the sunrise next to it. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I thought I'd show you my Pinterest wintry outfit of the day. It's pretty dark in here. Can you see? And I'm taking the Tasmans out for a spin. So that is the outfit. I'm also going to put a scarf on. And probably another 10 coats because you girl ain't catching frostbite. Let's go. I hope the sunrise is pretty. I need gloves. My hands are freezing. How pretty. I actually can't vlog anything. I can't film my hands, guys. What a silly girl with Reynard didn't put gloves on. Also, my parents are not waiting for me. He looks so cute.
Look at Marlo.
Marlo. Pretty.
The gate at the bottom, isn't it? Just going in. Yeah, it was rolling. I had to walk.
The camera is not going to do it justice. Okay, photo shoot. It's Christmassy.
Oh, look at it. It's literally.
The sun is rising. Pretty. Oh my god. Hey. Wow, that's actually so cool. That's actually so cool. Marlo, look at the sunrise. This is worth it for the numb hands. Golden hour. I decided to change my Uggs because I was worried, but look. It's like it's snowing. Oh my god, the fish tank is frozen. Oh my god, are they alive? Hi guys, I am ending the video here. I hope you enjoyed my... Sorry, let me just turn the traces down. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Please. Oh, also, just in case anyone is worried, the fish are alive. The fish are alive and well. Anyway, over and out. Eczema. Goodbye.